Hello everyone, can you say hello Miss Rani? Well done everyone. Are you ready for some phonics today? I'm very excited because Snowy is here with his box. Can we all say hello to Snowy? Snowy's very excited. We say hello Snowy. Look, he's giving you a lovely little wave back. Snowy, have you got some things inside your box for us today? He has, boys and girls. Are you ready to find out what's inside Snowy's box? Ready to sing with me? 1, 2, 3. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, box is moving. I wonder what's inside today. Oh, there's lots of interesting things. First, there's this. Do you know what this is, boys and girls? It's a necklace. You wear it around your neck. Necklace. My turn. Necklace. Your turn. My turn again. Necklace. Your turn again. Amazing, everyone. Shall we see if we can put it around Snowy's neck? Might be a bit tricky. Let's see if it fits. I'm going to open the clasp, which is at the back, and see if I can get it around Snowy's neck. Got to keep it nice and loose. We don't want to hurt him, do we, boys and girls? There we go. Snowy's wearing a necklace. That was inside his box today. Are you ready to see what else is inside the box? Sing with me. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. The box likes it when we sing our song. It gets moving. Ooh. Do you know what this is, boys and girls? We write on it. It's a notebook. My turn again. Notebook. Your turn. And my turn again. Notebook. Your turn. Amazing, everyone. So shall we give Snowy his notebook? He might want to make a note later for us. Maybe another day we'll see a note from Snowy. So we've got a necklace, notebook. Shall we see what else is in the box? Let's sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, there's a picture this time, boys and girls. A picture. Does anybody know what that is? Let's hold it up so we can see it. Like that, that's better. For you, I'm trying to see, boys and girls. That's better for you because that's about the right way. It's a net. It's a net. Sometimes people go fishing. Sometimes people go exploring in the water and they use a net to get things out. So sometimes it's to get fish. Other times, boys and girls, when we're clearing out the water, we use a net to get rid of rubbish that people have put in the water. We shouldn't put rubbish in the water, should we, boys and girls? No. Ready? My turn. Net. Your turn. My turn again. Net. Your turn. Excellent. We'll give Snowy his net to look after. So he's got his net, his notebook, his necklace. I wonder what else is in our box today. Ready? Sing our song and find out. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Ooh, there's some little things inside our box. I'm going to bring this really close to the camera so you can see it. This is a nail. Nail. Boys and girls don't use this, only adults. And Miss Rani isn't touching the tip because the tip is very sharp and it can hurt. So I'm holding it just here so you can see, look, that sharp tip. We don't touch that. In fact, boys and girls, you shouldn't touch a nail at all. This is just for adults. My turn. Nail. Your turn. Nail. My turn again. Nail. Your turn again. Nail. Amazing. Boys and girls, do you know there's something else that we say is a nail? This is a nail. So this is a nail and this is a nail. Both of these are nails. We all have nails, boys and girls. Have a look at your nails. Are they nice and clean? Have we been making sure we wash our hands? This nail is for adults though, remember. So this nail, if you ever see one, tell an adult straight away. Let's give this nail to Snowy to look after. I'm going to turn it this way to keep it safe. So, Snowy has got his necklace, his net, his notebook, his nail. Are you ready to see if there's anything else left in the box? Let's sing our song. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. I think there's a couple of things left. There are. There's only 2 things left. It's a picture again. Does anybody know what this is a picture of? I can see lots of leaves. I can even see some eggs. But the eggs are in a nest. Nest. That's what that is. Birds make nests. And that's where they lay their eggs to keep them safe. My turn. Nest. Your turn. My turn again. Nest. Your turn again. Nest. Excellent, everybody. So, Snowy has got a nest, net, notebook, nail. He's wearing his necklace. Let's put this nest next to him to keep it safe. I think there's one thing left and then the box will be empty. Should we sing our song and find out what's left in the box? What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Let's see what's inside the box. Oh, it's tiny, this is. We're going to look very carefully. Again, boys and girls, this is something that only adults can touch. So not boys and girls, just adults. I'm going to bring it over. It's sharp again. Bring it really close to the camera for you. There we go. That's quite good. So this is a needle. Needle. It's sharp at the bottom and it's got a little hole at the top, and that is where you put some thread through the needle for sewing. And we need to sew when we need to make clothes. But boys and girls, we do not use needles. Only adults use them. And when we're in school, we only use children's needles, and that's when the adults are there and they help us and they give them to us. Not this needle. This is an adult needle. My turn. Needle. Your turn. Excellent. My turn again. Needle. Your turn again. Excellent, everyone. This one is a sharp object, so I'm going to put it very carefully here. So let's have a look today. All the different things Snowy had in his box. He had a notebook, nest, let's turn the nest the right way, net, put that the right way as well so you can see it. He had a nail, I'm going to pop that just there in front of my finger so I don't hurt it. Needle. I'm going to pop these on top of his box carefully because they're quite sharp, boys and girls. Necklace. So today's sound, boys and girls, let's put him on Snowy on his box with all his pictures and his objects. You don't want to not see Snowy's beautiful face. All our things today started with the nn sound. Nn. Can you see Miss Rani's mouth is open a little bit? Nn. And when I make this sound, my tongue touches the roof of my mouth. Nn. A little bit open, like making a smile. Nn. Have a go. See if you can see some nn things at home and point them out to your family. You have worked really hard today. I think we should give ourselves a well done me pat on the back. Ready? Remember, you can do this side or this side, whichever is easier. 1, 2, 3. Well done me! Excellent work today, and I will see you again soon. Remember, only one video a day. Can we all say bye-bye, Miss Rani? Can you do that again? Bye-bye, Miss Rani. Excellent. Bye-bye, everyone.